Hi there. So you're thinking about buying a home and don't know where to start. Hi, I'm Katherine Zaw with Exp Realty. Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of your largest investments in your life. You need an experienced professional agent to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interests are protected. I've been in the industry for over a decade, and with my experience, here's how I will help you. First, we will make sure you're approved to purchase a home. You'll know things like what type of loans you can qualify for and what your payments will be, including the interest, taxes, and insurance. Once we know you're approved, we'll go house hunting and make sure you're fully aware of the neighborhoods, the schools, and recently sold homes in the area. Then we will help you negotiate an offer in a way that is beneficial for you and the seller. Once your offer is accepted, we will open up escrow, give your initial deposit, and start scheduling inspection and the appraisal. We're diligent about making sure we don't miss any contractual deadlines so that we can keep your deposit safe and you won't be at risk for losing it. It's super important after the inspections to know what is customary and what is not to ask from the seller. We will be in constant communication with all of the parties in the transaction to ensure that your best interest is covered and that we can close on time. There are many more parts to the transaction. I could be here for a few hours telling you. So better yet, give our team a call. As your trusted real estate advisor, I will walk you through every step, ensuring you make the right decisions all the way until we give you the keys to your new home. And don't forget, the seller pays my fees, so it doesn't cost you anything to utilize my services and experience. But I can guarantee it will cost you if you don't have the proper representation from an experienced professional who is on your team. So give us a call today and let's get you into your dream home.